Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SendGrid marketing assets with exports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SendGrid account. Navigate to the Marketing Campaigns section from the main dashboard. Click on the Templates tab to access your email templates. Select the specific template you wish to export. Once you have chosen a template, look for the export option, usually found in the template details or settings. Click on the Export button to download your chosen template. The file will typically be in a zip format containing all necessary assets. Next, return to the Campaigns tab to export your marketing campaigns. Select the campaign you want to backup by clicking on its name. In the campaign details, find the Export option and click it. This will enable you to download a comprehensive report of your campaign's performance and content. Once the export is complete, check your Downloads folder for the zip file. Repeat the process for any additional campaigns or templates you wish to back up. Navigate to the Contacts section from the dashboard. Select Export All Contacts to begin the download process. This ensures you have a copy of your audience information for future use. Finally, store all exported files in a secure location for easy access. Review your backups to confirm that all assets are intact and accessible. You have now successfully backed up your SendGrid marketing assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.